our development plans and programs because of the noise from some little boys. They will continue making that noise, but we shall continue to move on. But I warn anybody who may want to be nonsensical and bring chaos in this country, we are ready for any chaos, to deal with any chaos. Whoever who preach hate speech shall be responsible for their hate speech. Our prisons are not full. We want peace, we want unity. Those who do not disagree with that, but do so quietly and peacefully. Then, tichafamba tose murugare no kuirana. Asukata mesha mkono tinokuveza.